My name is Roger Zelenoretis with the Plata Economic Development Alliance. Thanks for being with us today. We're here in Animas Air Park just south of Durango, and we're going to go inside StoneAge Water Blast Tools to see what's made in Durango.
We manufacture high-pressure water blasting tools for industrial cleaning, and we sell our products all over the world to industrial cleaning contractors who then use our products to clean facilities, plants, refineries, petrochem plants, shipyards, things like that. Anywhere you'd use high-pressure water to clean. So the pressure coming out of the nozzle out of a car wash is about 700 psi. Our tools start at 2,500 and go all the way to 40,000 psi.
So here in StoneAge Machine Shop, we have three things that we really focus on. We have our research and development machine, which is really our bread and butter, taking products from concepts to physical realities, getting them out in the field to be tested, and then bringing them to market. Then we also have our custom solution support. So we have customers that are calling us, needing tools right away. They're out in the field, they have a job to be done, they can't do it. We make custom design tools and get them sent out, turned around in a day or two. And then also we just have our industry vendor support, where we are taking the products that our vendors can't get to us in time, and we just make them ourselves.
Your apprentices will start then learning how to make these tools by hand.
Oh yeah, that's the great part about StoneAge is the apprenticeship program. A lot of these guys came here to StoneAge, they had no machining background whatsoever. And we take them from the community and we teach them the trade ground up by working alongside senior machinists through bookworks, and they get to learn a career, they learn the trade. It's just a great place to work. There's not many people that don't want to work here.
So we have 6,000 active part IDs and $9 million worth of inventory. We have part tags for every part that have a barcode scan on them. It's going to drive efficiencies and also increase accuracy. And StoneAge, we consider ourselves a now industry. When our customers need parts, they need them now because the plants that are shutting down when they're cleaned are losing millions of dollars a day. We always want to create the best material flow for efficiency. We have the receiving department, which is all the way in the end. So we have parts that we outsource, that we bring in and stock, and then we'll pull those parts to both small and large assembly.
So what goes on in small assembly and large assembly?
Small assembly team, they will build our small assembly components as well as our small assembly finished goods, the tools that our customers are putting on the end of their hoses. These tools, when the water is flowing through them, they spin, and that's what's cleaning the inside of the vessel that the tool is being used on. The large assembly team, they are manufacturing our automated equipment and our physically larger assemblies.
So what's in the future for StoneAge? What's coming up in the next 5 or 10 years?
We think that the future is in robotics, so this first step into semi-automated equipment will turn into push-a-button and walk-away type equipment. But we believe that the type of the culture that we've created and the employees who we can attract to work for us are really what has made this company successful, and we don't know that we could do that any other place. I think that because of our employee base, we overcome the challenges of getting product out of Durango to the rest of the world.
This is Roger Zelenoretis with the Economic Development Alliance for Made in Durango.